Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust or change the volume on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, you will be able to see various different live streams. Now, while you are watching this live stream, you will see the volume button at the bottom right section underneath the share button. You can tap on it to mute and unmute the live stream sound. You can tap on any live stream to go and view it. And now, once you start watching the live stream, you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to change various different settings. Scroll down and you will find the audio only as well as the background audio options. You can change your setting within this page and tap on the apply button, and now you will be taken back into the live stream. You can use your device volume controls if you wish to turn the volume up or down. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to adjust the volume levels on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.